Hello guys, so today we will learn how to draw a graph using Origin. It's very basic software which is used for research. So this is the main page of OriginPro. You can add the workbooks by clicking here, and then you can paste your data here. So I will tell you this is the text file. Just drag and put onto the worksheet. So all the data is here. So, but you must disconnect the worksheet, because if you don't disconnect, if you delete the text file, the data will also be deleted from the project. Another way is to open like this, find the place, and you have to first choose the text from here. Yeah. Then you will be able to locate your text file here and simply open. In this way, you don't need to worry about the connection because this will be offline. So my data is here. So there are 5 columns. This is extra column. I will delete by right clicking. You can also add another column by right clicking. I will delete also this one. Yeah. So if you want, you can right click and add column anywhere, anytime. And you can move also the column. Right click, delete. Yeah. So you have to first adjust the axis. Here it's y, y, y. I will change to x axis because one must be x axis to draw the graph. So these are the names. These are the units. Yeah, you can change here or change later on to the graph. So just left click and then drag. It will select all the columns. And then you can check multiple options: line graph, scatter plus symbols, and there are different other graphs or multiple y-axis. If you have 3 y-axis, 4 y-axis, you can still draw. There are many options. I will draw this one. Yeah. So the graph is here. No, all you need to is to improve the graph. I will reduce the axis from 0 to 1000. Just click on the line, and here I will insert 0 to 1000. This is for x-axis. Similarly, you can do for vertical axis 0 to 10. Yeah. And then simply there are other options you can try. Okay. Yeah. So the axes are adjusted. You can see. So just click on the graph. It will give you option to insert the lines on the other edges. Yeah, that's it. So these you can put here. You can also click this graph. Yeah. First you need to adjust the captions. You can change the captions. Cycle number I will insert. Then you can also change their style, size, and there are multiple options. And similarly, we can change for the y-axis. You can insert any kind of stuff here, or you can write. I will write specific capacity, not capacity, milliamp, or because this is unit for my graph. Yeah, so these are legends, and one dot black shows charge, and other is discharge capacity. So I can also change them. Just double click and charge. Then I click at the bottom and discharge. You can also change the size and other stuff for this legends. Just clicks and properties. Yeah. So I am going to remove there are multiple options. I will remove the frame. around the legends. There are multiple options. You can play with them and you can modify according to your requirement. So this is ready. So there are multiple options. You can insert the line. Then click on the line and insert delete. An arrow. You can double click on the arrow. Then you can adjust the width of arrow, multiple styles. Yeah. Similarly, you can just delete the arrow. You can also change the color of the arrow. Many options. Just delete, click, select, and delete. You can also write on the graph anything you want. Yeah, and you can also change the style, size, multiple options. Yeah, similarly, you can zoom in, zoom out the graphs. There are several options. I will click on the zoom in. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it will give me another zoom graph. Yeah, that's cool. You can see this is zoom area and that's full graph. So you can like use that. So I will delete it. Yeah, because I don't need. And I also want to change the style of this graph. First, you need to disconnect them, like yeah, and then again double click, and then you can choose one and change the shape, size. Many other options are available. Similarly, you click on second and change the style. This is how you can play with them and make the graph beautiful according to your requirements. Just click OK. That's it. Now it's ready for the use, or you can improve it according to your requirement. Right click, and there are multiple options. Copy page, for example, export as image. I will copy the page, so it will be actually origin file. Just paste as not picture, just paste. Control V. Yeah. So this is origin file actually. Yeah. You can see its origin, and just double click, then it will open again origin. You can change again if you like. Yeah, it's opening the origin. Yeah, so you can again change if you like, if you need it. Yeah, just close it. It will be saved. Yeah, another day I will delete this. This if you paste as a picture, then it will be a picture. For example, I will show you as a picture. No, it's fully picture. It cannot be changed. You can do some crop, etc., but you cannot change anything on the graph. Yeah, so once again we are here. So you can directly export to the Word, PowerPoint, like this. Yeah, so I will cancel. Similarly, you can also click outside the graph, right click and export as page or image or multiple options. You can select, for example, I will export as an image. I will show you. There are multiple options. You can see. Yeah. Okay, I will show you how to export. Yeah, so it will give you option to select the format, the name of the graph, and even give you the pixel size you want. Then just click OK, and then it will be exported to your place. So today we learned how to simply draw the graph in Origin, and we also need to save the project, because if we want to open it again, we can open it and use it. So you can save using different formats. So if you have an origin, you should save as origin. So you can directly open the project. So that's all. Thank you.